Here we will see very lightweight image editing software, that is Irfan View, which we can use for research papers, articles, or book. Many times we have to convert our content, our multimedia content, in multiple formats, in different format. For example, in a particular dimension, in a specific resolution. Okay, for example, this is one image. Okay, I want to convert it in a specific size along with a particular resolution. So you can see straightforward options available. So image, resize, okay, and its setup is only 6 MB, around 6 MB setup. So in which resolution, in which dimension I want to convert? So 640 by 480 or this one. What about the size, height, width, whether aspect ratio, proportion to be preserved or not? If I want to change its resolution, okay, so you can see that. So how much resolution? For example, 2000 dpi or 200 dpi or whatever it is. Simply I will write here and I will click on this link, this button change. Okay, no need to install Photoshop, no need to work on any specific, any proprietary image editing software. Simply we can work with this tool. Very lightweight. So you can see here, fast and compact, only 6 MB setup, and for editing of our images we can use it. Thanks to all of you.